Hello, cosmic enthusiasts! Welcome back to Why Spot, where we unravel the celestial mysteries that make the universe dance. Today, we're venturing into the grandeur of galaxies and exploring the captivating question, why do galaxies collide? But before we plunge into the cosmic ballet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts below. Let's embark on this astronomical journey. Galaxies, the building blocks of our universe, are not always static. Today, we delve into the dynamic realm of galaxy collisions. What exactly are galaxies, and why do they engage in these cosmic dances? Join us as we uncover the celestial drama. Enter the stage, gravity, the maestro behind the symphony of galactic dynamics. We explore Newton's law of universal gravitation and the gravitational interactions that orchestrate the movements of galaxies across the cosmos. Galactic interactions take many forms. Minor mergers, like celestial waltzes, influence stellar orbits and distort the structures of galaxies. Join us in unraveling their subtle impact on our cosmic neighbors. Now, major mergers, the head-on collisions that shape the cosmos. Witness the formation of elliptical galaxies as galaxies merge and dance to the cosmic rhythm. Patience is a virtue in the cosmic realm. Explore the timescales of galactic collisions, spanning millions to billions of years, and understand their profound influence on the evolution of galaxies. Galaxies seldom dance alone. In the vastness of galaxy clusters, gravitational interactions play out on a grand scale, impacting the destiny of individual galaxies. Witness the cosmic choreography within these galactic communities. Tidal forces, the cosmic sculptors. Discover how these forces stretch and distort galaxies, leaving behind celestial tapestries such as tidal tails and influencing the populations of stars within. Let's turn our gaze to the evidence images captured by the Hubble Space Telescope and the telltale signs revealed through redshift measurements. The cosmic detective work that unveils the secrets of galactic collisions. Why do galaxies collide? Unravel the role of collisions in shaping the destiny of galaxies. From triggering star formation to influencing black hole activity, witness the transformative power of cosmic encounters. Step into the virtual cosmos as we explore computer simulations. N-body simulations provide a window into the understanding of collision outcomes, allowing us to witness the unseen cosmic drama. Peering into the cosmic crystal ball, we predict the future of our own galactic home, the Milky Way. Join us in exploring the long-term effects on galactic structures as we dance towards the inevitable collision with Andromeda. As the curtain falls on our cosmic odyssey, let's recap the key points that make galaxies collide. Understanding these celestial dances is not just an astronomical pursuit, it's crucial in the realm of astrophysics. Thanks for joining us on this celestial journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your cosmic thoughts below. Until our next cosmic exploration, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious. This is Why Spot, signing off.